Hayop kayong dalawa. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Raysef Gaurano, and I am a school principal of a humble school in Project 6 and Project 8. I don't know why these two chose me to talk tonight, during this special day. But sabi ng aking asawa, kasi parang nakita daw nila yung sarili nila nung nagsisimula pa lang kami. And 20 years ago, me and my wife, Rio, we tied the knot with the help of the Bugaw at Elaika. And very thankful kami that we found each other. And I don't know if 20 years of experience is enough to share sa inyo ang aming karanasan. I would like to start nung time na nagsisimula kami. That was 2006. Life was hard back then. Walang masyadong pera, walang ganitong kabongga. And yung mga style noon kinasal lang kami sa Pampanga. So it's province. Walang ganitong club. It was just, although yung Lakeshore ba, okay na yun noon. But fortunately, there were people who helped us. Yung family namin, they helped us pull it through. You know, sa 12 years ninyo, 13 years nyo, I consider you very lucky because you had enough time to really know each other. Nakilala nyo ang mga sarili nyo. Sabi nga ni Father, siguro, kilala nyo na yung mga toyo ninyo, bawat isa. Kami, nung asawa ko, when we got married, it was a whirlwind romance. Kasi we are go-getters. And when we saw each other laughing and hitting it off, we knew that we were the ones for each other. Naniwala kami doon. Nakala namin, tatawa lang kami, okay na ang buhay. Pero, hindi pala. Daming away, daming gulo, daming sigawan, daming sakitan ng loob. At ang daming tao na naapektuhan pag kami nag-aaway. Ganon din ba kayo? Siguro hindi na. At sana hindi na. Kasi noon, we were immature. And during those times, in 2006 until now, wala kami nung mga tao masyado na nakakatulong sa amin. I'm very proud to be friends with the Aguilars, the Beltrans, and of course, thank you to the Jimenos na nakikilala rin namin ngayon. Relationships are a vital part of any relationship. Tandaan nyo, hindi lang kayo ang magkasama. Nandito ang inyong pamilya. Pero kasi sinabi na ni Father yung tungkol sa biyenang kanina. Kaya hindi ko na uulitin. Inunahan ako ni Father Buisit yun. Joke time din. No offense to the biyenans, no offense to the in-laws. But in-laws are here to help. And in-laws are not just consultants. Hindi lang tuwing magtatanong kayo, doon lang sila magsasalita. Expect nyo na yan, kahit di nyo sila tanungin, they have their own opinion of what you are doing. Kaya para kayo, hindi kayo madot-dot o hindi kayo makarag, you have to do everything that is right. You have to make God the center of your lives. Ayaw namin na, first time namin na nagninong-ninang. Kaya, the first time na naninong-ninang. So, hindi ko alam kung anong sinasabi dito kasi ako pag-a-attend ng wedding, kakain lang ako, uuwi na ako. Siguro kasi KJ ako. Pero sabi nung host, bawal daw ang KJ. So, napilitan kami magstay. Napilitan kami magsalita. Isa pang hayop na host yan Bakit ba? Pero magaling siya. Palakpakan naman natin yung host. He set the tone for the whole evening. Magaling. At saka, para sa kanilang dalawa, na pamilya, I hope you do help these two. Kasi ayaw namin, sa amin sila pupunta. Kahit ninong nyo kami. Huwag na kayo pumunta sa amin. Laki na nga ng binigay namin eh. Papunta pa kayo sa amin. Napilitan nyo kami. Naisahan nyo kami. Manda kayo pag wala ng Dubai. Ay, wala ng giyera sa Dubai. Sa'yo kami titira. At buti, no, itong papasukin nila, sana hindi sila magkaroon ng giyera. Sana puro sila peace talks. Kasi tapos na yung yung getting to know. Tapos na rin siguro yung honeymoon stage. Ito nga, naguhubad na kanina eh. Siguro tapos na nga. Pero, what we would like to tell you, AJ and Kakay, life is not easy. Itong wedding nyo, planado. Itong buhay nyo, maganda. Pero kapag may pagsubok, sana huwag kayong bibitaw. Sana hindi kayo tuwing masaya lang nagkakasundo. Tsaka tinanong ko si mami mo, Kakay, yung forecast. Sabi niya, mukhang masasaya ang mga tao, mukhang magaganda ang mga muka, mukhang positive, mukhang maganda. Kami naman, hulaan nyo, paano ba yung sa amin? I'd like to end this, ilang minutes pa ba ang kailangan? I can go on, siguro mga 1 more hour. But I'd cut it short kasi malayo pa. Wala bang pa-diesel kasi I'd like to congratulate these two. Kasi si Kakay, nakita ko siya, college pa ba siya noon? College. Kaya takang-taka talaga ako, ba't nabuhay ito? College. But I know na nanggaling siya sa isang magandang pamilya. And I believe that she has fallen in love with AJ, na alam ko rin na mukha naman, no? Mukha namang galing sa isa ring magandang pamilya. Sana pinalaki kayong mabuti ng mga magulang nyo at sana huwag kayong bibitaw sa Diyos. And kahit nandyan ang mga consultants nyo, sige na nga, extended consultants na rin kami. Pag ang pera kailangan, sa consultant, sa kanila. Pag ang pera, wag sa amin. Kasi nagtataka talaga kami. Ba't kami nasama dito? Alam ko, pag mga ninong, ninang, mayayaman yan. Kami, may good looks lang. I hope your kids will be as good looking as you. I hope your kids will be growing in a future that is very beautiful that you will make for them. Okay? So congratulations to you and good luck to your future family. Congratulations and good evening.
There you go. Thank you very much to Ninong Raisep Gaurano. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to speak in behalf of our female principal sponsors, may we call on stage Ninang Rio Lau Gaurano.